Well, I'll introduce myself, guys. My name's Shane, and we are obviously doing a steering wheel swap on this 96 Talon.
So basically what you have to do is you have to take out the 4 bolts
Behind the
wheel.
2 there, and then 2 on the other side.
2 on the other side. And then there'll be a final bigger bolt. I believe it's a 22. I'm not too sure on this car.
Yeah, that holds the hub down. That'll be coming off after.
So yeah, we'll check in when we have the airbag off. And always, before you do anything with an airbag or really any power options in a car, you should always take the battery posts off and disconnect them. Yeah, we'll get back to you whenever we get the airbag out and aren't dead.
Okay, so now you'll have 3 wires to disconnect, which is horn and airbag. Wow, the airbag's hot.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna explode in my face.
Another probable warning we should say about this is it's not unsafe to do by yourself, but you should probably have a friend to help you in case you're sitting in your car dead after the airbag goes off.
Can you grab me a flathead screwdriver? I need this. There we go. Come on out. Alright, we're alive. We didn't die. Now
So the airbag is disconnected, and
I'm almost half tempted just to cut the horn wires for now.
you might have to in the sense of like putting it together.
Yeah. Like for the horn off the aftermarket NRG wheel, one will go to your power and then one's got a ground, but the power works. Ground's got a ground off of this, so when you press the button, it actually.
Yeah.
You don't want. If it grounds all the time, then it's gonna just be honking the whole time.
After you're done taking the airbag off,
It's already this. You just gotta crack it fast, and if you can, lock your wheel. Lock it. Power's off on the car, so it's not gonna lock it. So, well, maybe it would, but we don't have enough turning.
yeah. Fuck, that seems easy.
Say goodbye to them. Now you gotta give it a good.
Hit it like you're beating your sister.
Yep. And that does it.
Fucking boom, it's off. There we go. As you can tell, it was very Asian.
I reckon so Asian. It's like, this is in here so when you're turning your wheel,
yeah,
the wires don't wrap up.
Oh, okay. So I'd probably be advised not to cut that, but fuck it.
No, realistically, what you would have to do is run your own horn wires through the bezel, through to here, and then what they give you on an aftermarket hub is a teeny little hole, so you'd have to run your own wires regardless. So you might as well just cut it off and run your own wires. We're not going to run our own wires today because race car. And now we need the wheel. So basically, we want the top hole at the center. Hopefully that's.
And that shit works. Like we're good.
Yeah. You need the wheel.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it right now. Okay, so after you get your aftermarket hub, you throw that bolt in, make sure it's fucking tight.
No swearing.
Okay, so
You don't have to go overboard.